हरिः कर्ता।
So we have seen the difference between analytics versus statistics. Basically, they complement each other. That's what the conclusion. Now let's explore a little more about analytics, and then we will wrap this analytics part here, and then we'll completely deep dive into the statistics. Okay, so before we completely deep dive into the statistics, let's see the four dimensional paradigm of analytics. Four, we call them as a four dimensional paradigm of analytics. What are those? One is the descriptive, one is a descriptive. There are four dimensional paradigm of analytics refers to a framework for understanding the different dimensions of data analytics. The four dimensions are: one, descriptive, what is happening, descriptive analytics; two, diagnostic analytics, why is it happening; three, predictive analytics, what is likely to happen; and four, prescriptive analytics, what do I need to do now. These are the four dimensional paradigm of analytics. Beginning with descriptive analytics, what is happening with our issues, which are what is happening in our data. Two, diagnostic analytics. Here we will diagnose why is it happening. And third, predictive analytics. Here we will try to predict what is likely to happen. And the fourth one is prescriptive. It's like doctor prescribing something, so like that the analyst also prescribe what do you need to do now, what do I need to do. So that's what the four dimensional paradigm. So descriptive, diagnostic, and predictive and perspective. And let's explore one by one in little deeper in our forthcoming slides.